Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a wish list on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first go ahead access your Amazon app in your mobile phone and make sure you're signed in as well. Afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and tap on this profile icon here just given beside the home icon, and go ahead tap on the option called your lists just right there, and this will show us all of the list we have created for us so far. And if you would like to create a new list, we're going to go ahead and tap on this create a list and simply tap on it, and this will let us give a name to our list name. We're gonna shopping list. We're gonna go ahead and Google it, tap on this create list again, and now we're gonna go ahead add our items here in this list by just going to our home section and choosing what we would prefer. So you can see we're gonna again go to our profile icon and we're gonna find our list, right? We're gonna tap on the three dot icon. Here we can even invite any of the other family members if it's for family purpose, or even we can delete a list just right from over here as well. So this is the simple way for you to create a wish list just by tapping on this create a list on top, and then you will be done. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.